Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the top 3 central exchanges for crypto. In my opinion, these are the best crypto central exchanges that you could find. And as always, I have links in the description box to referral codes for all 3 of these exchanges. These are the best exchanges for all different reasons. We're going to go over the reasons why I think these are the top 3 central exchanges for crypto. We're going to go over a little bit of a channel introduction if you are new to this channel after we talk about the exchanges. And besides that, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is only information. Take it with a grain of salt. Crypto can be extremely volatile, so just be aware of that and always do your own research before investing in anything. So let's get into it. So in my opinion, the top central exchange is Mexc Global. And as I go through these exchanges, you'll see that there is referral codes up here as well for you guys to open an account in any one of these exchanges if you'd like. Now, Mexc Global has over 6 million users. If you look at their Twitter, at Mexc_global, they're almost at 1 million followers on Twitter. They're doing extremely well. If you go to their webpage, mexc.com, they highlight that they have some of the lowest fees, highest profits, 0% spot maker and taker fees, 0% future maker fees, and 0.01% taker fees. So those are extremely low fees. If you look at things like Uniswap, if you try to trade your Ethereum on Uniswap, sometimes the transactions fail and then you pay $30 or more in gas fees, and then that just vanishes into thin air, and then you try to exchange your crypto again on there, and who knows if it's going to fail again. But either way, you're losing $30+ almost every time you exchange on Uniswap. I mean, if you look at the fees on these central exchanges compared to decentralized exchanges, that is a huge benefit to using something like Mexc Global as opposed to Uniswap or some other decentralized exchange like that, where they're going to take outlandish gas fees. So that is one of the reasons why I like Mexc Global. Another reason personally that's not on here is that if you look at the amount of coins and tokens that get listed on Mexc Global, they have all the best tokens getting listed on there, like the big ones like Pepe and these new tokens that are taken off like crazy, like the Homer token, etc. They have all the big ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, but then they have all these other new popular coins being listed on there all the time. So they have tons of listings on there. They offer spot trading, tons of crypto, fast crypto listings, leveraged ETFs, enjoy compound interest, and they have futures. #1 liquidity, 0 maker fees. Now futures, if you don't know what futures are, it can be extremely volatile. Now crypto is obviously very volatile in itself, so I would not just go jumping into future trading unless you know what you're doing and do a lot of research first. But shout out to all my futures people out there. I know a lot of people love trading futures on this channel. They've left lots of comments about it, so shout out to all my futures gangsters out there. But yes, just be aware that futures can be extremely volatile. So don't get involved with that unless you know what you're doing. So yeah, you can download the Mexc app, manage your portfolio easily, multi-platform app support. You can get it from the on your PC, from the app stores, all these types of things. But yeah, if you are going to get it, like I said, referral codes are the way to go, and then you can get your own referral codes as well and give those out to other people and promote the app that way. But yeah, Mexc Global, top exchange. Now, the second best exchange, in my opinion, is Coinex. Now, Coinex has 717 coins listed right now, 1,127 markets. They have 186.2 million 24-hour volume trading in USD. and 7.92 billion 30-day value in USD. So lots of people use Coinex. It's a very well-established crypto exchange. Now, the thing that I love especially about Coinex and why I'm putting it number 2 here is that the fees are insanely low. Like if you're going to, let's say Algorand, if you're going to transfer your Algorand on, any exchange like, say Coinbase. Coinbase goes in dollars and it doesn't go by whatever the crypto is. So you're going to be paying a certain amount of dollars on every time you buy or sell a token. If you transfer a token, it's going to be in dollars. But let's say you want to transfer your Algorand. It's going to be like 0.1 Algorand is your fee for transferring Algorand from this Coinex exchange to a different exchange. The fees are insanely low, and that is what I love about that. A lot of the times I'll just look for the coin with the lowest fees. So maybe I'll change my Ethereum to Dogecoin, or I'll change my Bitcoin to Algorand, something like that. Because Dogecoin, Algorand, they have extremely low transfer fees. So if I'm gonna, let's say you have your bank account on some other app, like you want to sell your coins for money, but you want to transfer it over to that app. Now these apps are the best for transferring because they have insanely low fees. Like I said, 0.1% or 0.1 Algorand. If you look up like how much Algorand is, it's like most days it'd be like 39 cents right now, something like that. So think about 0.1 of 39 cents. Like that is an insanely low transfer fee. So that is one of the biggest reasons why I love Coinex. And that is also another big reason why I love this third exchange here, Bitrue. Insanely low transfer fees on Bitrue as well. So Mexc Global, very low fees, but the good thing about Mexc Global is all the features, like the future trading, like the tons of coins and tokens getting listed on there all the time. They have lots of cool features on Mexc Global, and that's why I love Mexc Global. Number 1 is the features and the low fees, but Coinex and Bitrue have like the lowest fees on any exchange that I've tried personally. There might be lower out there, but I mean, just on average, all the things that Coinex, Bitrue has, and then on top of that, the low fees, that's what makes it number 2 and number 3 in my opinion. So Bitrue, buy, trade, and invest more than 700 cryptocurrencies on Bitrue. They have the one-stop trading platform with copy trading, spot trading. They have futures on Bitrue as well, leveraged ETFs, buy crypto. And each one of these exchanges also has their own token. So like for Bitrue, they have the BTR token. For Mexc Global, they have the MX token. And for Coinex, they have the CET token. So they all have their own tokens as well. But yeah, referral codes for all these apps are in the description box. I'll pin them to the top in the comment section, and they'll be up here as well, so you guys can go check these out. Now, if you're new to this channel, you don't know what this channel is, basically I talk about the new coins and tokens that come out. I don't give my financial advice. I don't give opinions on whether you should buy or sell certain tokens and things like that. I give you the information on the token or the coin that has just come out. The ones that, I'm not going to go through every coin because that is insane. There's thousands upon thousands of coins. I'm going to go through the ones that I think are the most popular, that are eye-catching, the ones that have, catchy names, things like that. The ones that are doing well in their pink sale pre-sales, the ones that are in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap, the ones that are newly listed on these 3 central exchanges, the ones that are doing well, popular, eye-catching, things like that. I go through the information. I'm not going to tell you whether to buy or sell them or that type of stuff. That's up to you. Do your own research. I will go through some of the security to let you know if they're KYC'd, if they have an audit, things like that. I might tell you things that I find sketchy about it. That's one thing that I do. But yeah, consider this page, this channel, just like a CoinMarketCap, just like a CoinGecko, any of those coin listing websites where they just tell you the information. And, CoinMarketCap is not going to say, hey, buy this token, because that's crazy, right? So basically, this is like CoinMarketCap in video form is what this channel is. So if you like what I'm doing, you could always hit the join button, support on Patreon. That really helps. Check out my referral codes down there in the description box. Even liking the videos helps, sharing them, hitting that subscribe button, turning on notifications, all those things like that really help this channel. Shout out to all the people who have done all of those things already. And thank you for watching. And y'all have a great day out there.